One of the ways that our office is unique and different, even compared to most other chiropractors, is that we take a very detailed approach to how we analyze and measure and also act on the x-rays that we take. So we practice a technique called chiropractic biophysics. Chiropractic biophysics is one of the most advanced and researched techniques in the whole chiropractic profession. And as you can see here, you can see this example of a patient who, compared to a normal straight up and down neck region, their head is shifted off to the side. And what that does is takes the spinal cord and stretches it and can stress and strain it as well and cause damage over time. That can interfere with the nerve transmission from the brain to the body, whether it's the arms or that region of the body or even down below, because the messages from the brain try to go through that pathway and they need an open spinal pathway in order to function at their best. So what we do is we analyze these and we incorporate them into our rehabilitative approach to remodel, reshape, and transform that posture into a healthy, aligned posture. Here you can see we have our x-ray room right on site, so we can take the x-rays right here. You don't have to go anywhere else to get that done. And we have a digital system that actually uses much less radiation than conventional systems. Also at Whole Body Health Chiropractic, we'd like to measure your nervous system. We look at the nerves coming out of your spine and see how balanced they are, if they're overactive or if they're pulling too hard one way or the other. That can reflect the imbalances of those nerves going to organs, going down your arms, down your legs. That can affect how well you move, your coordination, etc. You can see on the left here an example of a normal set of nerves, a normal nerve test. And this is using EMG on the surface. So it's electromyography, which you think about EKG for the heart or EEG for the brain. This is EMG on the surface, looking at the activity of the muscles. You can also see on the bottom right here where it says EP stress score. That patient's stress score is a 446. When that's high, that reflects a lot of stress this person is carrying in their body. The more we can help them, the lower that stress level will come down, and then they're not carrying that with them all day long. We also use a tool called RightEye to help us measure brain function. We do this by looking at eye movements as they exhibit imbalances, as you can see, doing circular pursuits or doing horizontal movements left and right. We can do these tests and find out how balanced is the brain control of the eye. Now, this is not the same thing as looking at clarity of vision. So we can have perfectly clear vision, but not have good brain control of our eyes to follow an object. And that makes a big difference when it comes to sports and reading and other aspects of concentration. So this is a great tool to help us measure overall nervous system function, looking at the brain and how those messages are getting out to one very important part of our body, the eyes. So I hope this served as a great introduction to our practice here at Whole Body Health Chiropractic. I look forward to being of service to you, your families, your kids, and the community to help not only prevent injuries, but to quickly recover from them and ideally perform at our best. I've benefited from chiropractic from the age of 4 years old till now, and I want to pass that benefit on to you and yours.